We sort of thought, yes, Bumblebee's a car, but he's also kind of like a puppy.
He touches things very delicately.
Yeah.
The team had a lot of interesting objects at their disposal, like this very old lawnmower. Riding this over the car door, paired with a little hit of a seat cushion, helped them create the sound of Bumblebee sitting on the couch.
Bumblebee still needs to sound heavy, but you can play with weight, and you can play with attack.
They often use these rain birds to get the sounds of Bumblebee's hands. Here, Bumblebee tries to open a soda can. What's more complicated are the multi-part sounds. The individual sounds usually get recorded separately and then layered digitally. For this part of the scene where Bumblebee hits his head on a lamp, they needed to record two sounds. First a helmet hitting a car door, then a lampshade swaying back and forth.
Sometimes something as simple as that lampshade could be 5 tracks, easily.
If these two sounds were recorded at once, the sound mixer wouldn't have as much control balancing the two sounds. Surface makes a huge difference.
I put the parts against the car door so that it would sound connected, like it's connected to a whole robot. Otherwise, it might, if I put it on the cement, then it might sound too thin.
For instance, for the sound of Bumblebee tapping his fingers,
I don't know, it just sounds too thin to me.